In this video, I am going to tell you how to make infographic post design for social media on Canva. You can make so many things in Canva. You can make logo design, infographics, social media post design, presentation, videos, everything. Whatever you want to make, you can easily make it. So, as I told you before as well, if you want to know from the scratch how to work on or design on Canva, you can watch my previous video. So let's start it. So first, what we have to do, you can see the option of customize size. We have to select 1000 by 80 and 1080, and then create new tab will be open. And then what we have to do, we have to go to elements and take a square shape like this. You can take any square shape easily and edit according to your choice like this. Here is the option, just tap write down the shape and you can find lots of option or different shapes. Okay, and then drag it like this and change the color according to your choice like this. And after that, it would be better if you lock this layer, then you can work easily and more comfortably. And then again we need another shape, which is the arrow shape. You can take any arrow shape, it's totally up to you. There is no hard and fast rule. As I told you how to take it, just type shapes and then you can select any shape from here. I want to take this one, and you can see it, there are so many options, it's totally up to you. And then I'm going to change this color into white. And then what I'm going to do it, I'm going to uh, increase the size of it, and you can see the three lines option where you can round the corners of this arrow shape like this and put it into the center. Don't worry, we will make this or shape this into center later as well. And then round it according to your choice like this. It's totally up to you how much bigger you want, it's totally up to you. And then after that, little bit more. And then what I am going to it little bit more. And then after that, take a copy of this arrow key like this. Wait a minute, it takes some time, but obviously we need to adjust it until we satisfy. And then decrease the size of this and increase this and drag it like this, and one more time here there. And if you want to even give more round to this shape, you can do it and put it like this. I want to decrease the roundness of this shape, and then change the color into yellow or whatever color you want to. And then what I'm going to do it now, I want a line shape. And then you can see it, drag it like this here and put this in the center of the smaller arrow shape like this. And it takes some time. And then after that, take a copy of this. You can decrease the size of this line. I have selected two size. And after that, take another copy by pressing alt and drag it like this. And then again, let me adjust it little bit more here and there. And after that, again, let me decrease the size of this line as well. And then again, take a copy of this by pressing alt and put it like this and adjust it like this little bit more. And then like this, we have to make sure that everything is aligned or is in the center or is aligned. Okay, and then little bit more up and down. And then again, take a copy of this line. We have to do this very frequently, and don't worry, we will group it all the lines later after completing our work, so don't worry about it. And then just that's it, it's adjusted little bit down. You can do it by pressing arrow key as well. And take the copy of big arrow key and then rotate it. This time I want this arrow shape into the left side like this and put it here. Little bit increase the size, and I think we don't need to increase the size, just adjust it as it is. And then take a copy of this small tab. And I think we need almost 5 to 6 arrow shape for our infographics post. So and then after that, we have to let me adjust it. And then what I'm going to do is let me adjust it and put it little bit up, and then I have to take a copy of this line again like this and adjust it in the center of the a small arrow shape. And then after that you can change the color of this shape. Whatever color you want is totally up to you, there is no hard and fast rule for that. And then again, what we have to do, we have to select all the lines and then group it by pressing Ctrl plus G, and then again take a copy of line and then shape like this, and little bit up you can see the guide key as well. It means that whatever you do, it will guide you that either your arrow key or your work is in the center or not, then it will guide you according to that. And change the color of the small shape is totally up to you like this. I like this, little bit up, little bit down, and then adjust it like this. I have made until now 3 arrow keys. Then again take a copy of this and make sure when you take the copy of this arrow key, make sure check the direction of the arrow key which one you want. So make sure you are taking the right shape like this, and then adjust it little bit more like this, and make sure everything is aligned and in the center and not going inside or outside like this. And take change the copy of this. And then 1 2 3, one more thing, I think it's now I'm going to unlock the background key and then select everything. Oh, I made a mistake. First I have to group it, I have to group everything, then after that I can do it like this and scratch it and put it in the center. Okay, now it's in the center, and then ungroup it again, and then I want to add one more arrow key like this, and let me adjust it little bit. For the last shape, we have to take a copy of right side arrow key arrow, and then adjust it according to the shape, or make sure that everything is aligned. And then after completing your work, when you completed your work, then make sure to group everything. So let me adjust it little bit more things, and then after that we will do it, and then group it by pressing Ctrl plus G like this. And then what I'm going to do is, now I want to change the color of this last box as well. And after changing the color, then next step is, let me put in the center and increase the size of this. And then after that, what our next step is, let me decrease the, I think boxes are little bit big, so I want to decrease the size of each boxes like this. And after that I will again group it or everything like this one, like this, like this. And then now this time I want to add some text here, and then first heading and then subheading. So I want to whatever the infographics is about, or whatever the headings you have, then you can edit and select the text or typeface according to your choice like this. And then change the color into the small box size color like this, and then little bit more like this. I think it's little bit bold, to let me change it, and then change the size of it little bit darker. Yeah, this looks totally perfect. And then take a copy of this again and put it in, into all the shapes. Okay, like this, like this, and change the color of every heading according to their small box like this, like this, like this. And this look totally perfect. And after that we need to add body text, and it's all about, you will explain everything about your product or about your infographics in this body text. And it should be minimal, you don't need to add a long text here. Okay, like this. And then after that we have to give the number to the small boxes, number 1, and then change, make sure color will prominent and pop up when you see the numbers. Okay, and then again take a copy of this, and then like this press 2 write it down 2, and then again take a copy of this, and then 03, and then again take a copy of this like this 04, and then again take a copy of this. I am doing this intentionally a little bit slow so you can understand each and every point very easily and in detail. And you can, after watching this infographics tutorial on Canva, you will design anything whatever you want. And after that, let me align it and unlock the layers whatever when you adjusting or editing the background layer. And after that, let me change the color. You can even add your personalized color as well or color palette as well. I want little bit dark blue so my design will pop up. Let me, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to like again select the background color and then again change the color little bit darker. Let me change it little bit to the lighter tone. Again, no, this one is not good. Little bit, yeah, this one looks totally perfect. Yeah, whatever color you want, it's totally up to you. It's quite easy if you follow each and every step and watch the video till the end. You will definitely know and understand how I make it, how I have designed this video. And then after, click on the share button and press the check the template word and select the template according to your choice, and just click on the download button. And then just let me show you the final results. Here is our final result. That's it for now. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.